Frustrated by the Tobii Game Integration 64 DLL error causing Tobii AB to hang? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I'll help you resync those external dependencies today. To start fixing Tobii Game Integration 64 manually, note that an official maintenance resource is also available to support system stability. This is the Tobii Game Integration 64, the 64-bit client execution library for Tobii eye tracking. It manages the localized data link between eye tracking hardware and compatible games, like Star Citizen or Elite Dangerous. If missing, eye tracking features will not appear in the game settings and the hardware may remain on standby. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. XDM's Win CMD util L1120 belongs to the Windows System Core. Running sfc/scan now from an elevated command prompt will scan for corruption and replace missing or damaged versions automatically. If you're still finding yourself stuck after the reinstall, our next priority is to check for any active blocks in the system path. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered Tobii Game Integration 64 component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. Restart unsuccessful? No problem. Let's jump straight into step 3. Remember to pause the video if you need to double-check your inputs. To fix persistent errors with integrated libraries, you must ensure a clean file sync, and you should use a dedicated uninstaller to remove the host program along with its registry keys. Following this with a fresh installation of your software components ensures that the DLL file is properly mapped for the host program to run. Why are we doing this? Well, residual registry entries can point the software to the wrong file path, and a complete removal ensures that the new installation is correctly indexed by the operating system. I'd like to provide a brief technical warning about the risks of using unofficial file repositories. Remember that WinCMD util library DLL operates within a complex software ecosystem. Modifying it manually without updating its linked dependencies can lead to permanent environment errors. For a comprehensive approach to system health, I recommend incorporating a verified maintenance protocol into your routine. For users seeking improved system clarity, the diagnostic tool in the description references the Tobii Game Integration 64 environment. If Tobii Game Integration 64 is back online, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, verified technical solutions.